it's Maxine at Fabricland. If you like and subscribe our video, everybody can see what we've got on offer. So today I'm going to show you some quick decorations, maybe for your street party or maybe even for the garden. So come and have a look. So I've got these gorgeous feathers which would look nice in a vase. We do them in red, white and blue, so they would add a really good centerpiece to your table. What about tying the three colours of net together? You could make door bows, you could put them on your gate, especially if you're having a street party. That would look absolutely gorgeous. So here's the nets we've got. They're cheap as chips, so maybe you can tie them together and it's going to look really effective. Can you imagine if everybody in your street did a door bow and you were all going to be in the street? It would look absolutely fabulous. So we do felt kits. So here we've got the silver, gold, red, white and blue and the purple because of the platinum jubilee. So come and have a look on our website at that. We've got the no-sew bunting, which we've got the tutorial on our website, so maybe have a go at that. Or if you're a bit better with your sewing, maybe have a go at doing a bunting kit. So there's the template on our website that's free as well, if you've got some fabric already. We've got Union Jack ribbon, which would look lovely on cakes and decorations, maybe shoe bows if you really want to go over the top. We've got our lovely Arthur and Jack kit here, which would look gorgeous as centerpieces on your table or even a doorstop. We've got ribbons. We've got lots of things on our website. So come and have a look and see what you can make for the Jubilee. Goodbye.